I want to share that is a very simple strategy that you can actually use in case you just withdraw anything on Deriv. Yeah, and this strategy doesn't help you, my friends. You just go and start portrait farming. Okay, so let's just go to the air rate speedboards. So I want us to trade either over 0 or under 9. I will show you how you need to do the setup. So the most important thing is on how you do the setup. Yeah, then mambo yote inakuwa iko best. Okay, so it's actually a very simple setup. So all you need to do is just go to this robot called the RS Storm Shadow, just load the robot, and I want us to use the multiple volatilities. So this is what you do. Just click here and add more and more volatilities as you want. Personally, I'll be adding all of them because whatever we are just about to do is something that will actually be will actually require that is a lot of options, and we need to have a varieties of that is volatilities, so that at least we can have that is good results. Okay, so I'll be staking everything. Yeah, let me stake $300. Then I will actually be trading. Let's trade over, then over 0. The same thing you can do in case you want to trade at the 9. Just click here and select under, then prediction digit is 9. So you can either use it to trade over 0, at the 9, or even the differs. In case it's the differs, you need to do is click here and go to differs like that, then set your differ digit. For example, you can differ with any digits. There's no specified conditions that you need to check. I'll show you the setup. It's the most important. So just click, for example, differ 7. You can do anything, but this time around let me first of all do a video on over that is on over 0. Then I think we can do another video, probably another trade while trading that is under 9 or even the differs. Okay, but that's how you do the setup in case you want to trade those other markets. So you just click there and set up over 0. Then we'll be trading using a speed of 1 tick. Switch after, leave it as it is. Something else that we need to do is we don't need the martingale. Set it as 1. So this is let me say, like, the chance of losing in this trade are very they are actually very low. Let me set in, I don't work the stop loss. So the next thing I need to check is the the target profit. So I only need like $50 profit. So I just need to click here, choose strategy, and if there is something, just uncheck all the boxes. And what I need is this first option, use entry point pattern. And because we are trading over 0, we want this robot only to execute a trade when digit 0 appears 3 consecutive times. The moment digit 0 appears 3 consecutive times, the chances are very okay. Let me first of all run the robot. Then as the robot is scanning for the entries, so just we just set 3 digit 0 0 0 0, then click activate. Then okay, like that, then everything else is well set up. So the next thing we're gonna do is just run. So what the robot is actually doing, like the moment because we are trading over 0, yeah, so the moment digit 0 appears 3 consecutive times, like 0 0 0, because it's possible, yeah, the moment it appears, then we execute at a trade of over 0 at a speed of 1 tick. There are very low chances like digit 0 can appear 4 consecutive times. That's why our staking was high, because the chances of getting a loss ziko chini sana. So just take about 5 contracts or even 2 or even 3, then unatoka your market. Again, don't overstay. The problem with you guys, the moment I share a secret, the moment I share a strategy and it's working out and giving you money, most of you think of like what you can actually exploit the strategy and decide like this is what will make me a millionaire, and you keep on using it. By the end of the day, you end up on losing. You'll only win for some days, then because of overusing the strategy, you end up on losing. Yeah, so the robot is actually spotting for that entry, and it can actually take some bit of time because it's a precision strategy that we are sure of. Like the chances of getting a win is almost 99.99%. Ndo hiyo imepiga. Imepiga haijapiga. Yeah, so you can actually see that means digit 0 has appeared 3 consecutive times. Like the digit has appeared 0 0 0. So the chance of digit 0 appearing next ziko chini sana. So you really don't, in this case you really don't need to actually check like digit 0 should have which percentage. It should have like 10% or even 9%. That is not important, because what we are doing is we are playing around with the psychology of digits. Yeah, the moment a digit appears so many times, there is a high possibility it will not appear again. And in this case, the digit 0 has appeared 3 times, so the chances are very low that the digit will actually appear again. You can actually see we have hit our next trade. And this, you cannot actually apply this strategy if you are not using a one tick speed robot, because tick inaweza toka. In this case, the tick can like for example digit 0 can appear 0 0 0 0. Those are 3 0 digits. Then the tick goes to digit like 9, then gets back to 0. Yeah, so that's why you need a speed. The reason why you need a speed robot, because the moment the tick moves from 0, then 0, then 0, then it goes to 9, of course the robot will execute that specific will actually execute that specific trade. Yeah, and the moment that trade is actually executed, of course, that is the moment 0 moves from digit 0 to 9, or even 0 0 0, then 3. The time it goes to 3, that trade is executed. That means the chance of getting a loss are actually very, very low. So I think we only need now one trade and we hit our TP. Yeah, we only need one trade to hit our TP. Now this is almost a sure bet strategy. In case you have never withdrawn anything that is on Deriv, just try use this strategy and see how it's actually working out. So we only have one trade, ndio hiyo imeshapiga TP. What else do you need in life? You guys, I'm actually giving you stuff that will give you real money. Yeah, so just check, target profit it. Don't take so many contracts, just take about 5 trades. Once you hit your TP, you can even go full margin. You really don't have to mind. But first of all, before you go and get or use this strategy that is on a real account, just make sure you get that is on. Just make sure first of all you you backtest the strategy. Let me explain in details what I mean. So what we are actually doing in this case, we are actually trading that is over 0, like that. We actually, okay, let me use let me first of all clean up these, then use these. I think this is normally better. So we are actually trading that is over 0. So what our entry point is digit 0 0 0. Like digit 0 has to appear 3 consecutive times. Okay, so the moment that this digit 0 appears 3 consecutive times, psychology of digits, if a digit appears 3 consecutive times, it is the chances are very rare, indicate here rare, that this digit will appear again, that is in the next tick. That means the tick might come from digit 0 0 0, then go to digit like 4. So the moment the tick, this digit 0 appears 3 consecutive times, then goes to digit 0, the robot will execute that specific, will actually execute that specific trade. Yeah, we'll actually execute this specific trade and close the trade with the digit 4. And if it execute the next trade, you of course you'll automatically make a win with that is with the digit 4. But in this case, you need a speed robot. The reason why you need a speed robot, you need a robot that is executing each and every tick, so that the moment you get digit 0 0 0, then the next digit is, for example, 5. Yeah, at least it will be in the position to execute digit 5. In case you are not using a speed robot, you might get 0 0 0, then the next digit might be 5, then 0. So that means if you are using a normal robot which normally execute at a speed of, yes, you indicate on the robot 1 tick, but the robot is executing at a speed of 2 tick. So what will happen? It will actually skip digit 5 and close the position the trade at digit 0. That means you hit on a loss. So it's actually very simple. You really don't need to consider anything like digit 0 should have this percentage. You do anything. So you can actually use that strategy to trade that is over 0. You can also use it to trade under 9. In case you are trading under 9, that means on the robot you should set up digit 9. That is, how do you write 9? You should write 9 9 8 9. No, yeah, I think I'm growing old. So it should be, your entry point should be 9 9 9. So 3 consecutive 9s, yeah. Then pale unakuja on the robot, of course you set up under 9, yeah, like that. Then in case you are trading DFAs, of course on the robot you'll indicate DFAs. For example, you can do DFAs 3. Then set up your stake and everything, remove the martingale, increase your stop loss. Then on the robot, of course, you'll set that is your prediction, your entry point as digit 3, 3, 3. Then just run your robot. Evo 2, very simple. I'll actually be doing in the next trade. I'll actually do at the 9. I'll also do that is a DFAs trade, so that at least you can understand better. Goodbye, man.